What if I told you that some of the world's biggest companies are selling tiny pieces of themselves every single day? That's exactly what the stock market is. Imagine your favorite company is worth billions of dollars. Instead of one person owning the whole business, it's divided into millions of small pieces called shares. When you buy a share, you become a part owner of that company. Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets exciting. Think the stock market is just one place? Think again. Around the world, investors trade on major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, Toronto Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, and Tokyo Stock Exchange. Every second, millions of shares change hands as investors try to grow their wealth and own a piece of the world's most successful businesses. If a company grows, earns more money, launches successful products, or attracts more customers, people want to own its shares. More buyers push the price up. That means the shares you bought may become more valuable. Let's say you invest $100. If the company performs well over time, that investment could grow. Not overnight, but through patience and consistency. But there's a catch. Stock prices can also go down. Markets react to news, economic changes, company performance, and even investor emotions. That's why investing isn't gambling. It's about understanding businesses and thinking long term. Here's the secret many wealthy people know. They don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. The stock market has helped millions of ordinary people build wealth over decades through investing, saving, and the power of compound growth. So the next time you hear about the stock market, remember this. It's not a place where rich people get richer. It's a place where anyone can start owning a piece of the future. And sometimes that future starts with your very first dollar invested.